asa nanso misaka video bi me pese me ma ade bache so nti na o se minemu ede ehwe video no na emre bi atwam no me be ka se asambi befsi anasa bibi ebobo oba na mene wo no tutuye ben ena yeye ehihye ben ena yeye se asam no eba ede na be ya fa ho na mikaya kosi se ewo se yesua ekwan be fa so ebe ka nokura a kire ye ho na nokura ka asante no enema sa nsamsam weni na esisisisi na enuma do fo mo hwe JKTV misaka video bi na meyi video na ere a kire mo na ayare ho yes say onipa da seni atenase so called billionaires na a plan say yebeye artificial mosquito entonton na san tonton ya wono panie na ntonton na ye wono panie no edien ana obodi ntonton ni koye wayamunti ana omoye sa ntonton no na ekru benso ana resa ntonton be kwa omakoye den egugu na mehwe video no bera huye na medwene ho kwa menti ase na de mi kan ni nipa bebre enim bebre so esa kasa video no na so se nipa be sori aka no kure a kire ne nua no sikenti ye beka ya no atomu na ye kum ye nyina afri asase so na mesene ti equity awareness na so omonye sa video we a me babeyi me gidi se bebre ahwe sa video yi emre bi betwem so video bi elinke ye na abrofo na ekohye mu ye meeting e ka se e wo se Sahara Africa no also mo make sure say yete no sa na ere o me make sure say betna yes pane da because so mama na say je ho a they will be in trouble. Sa video we ba out obia nka hwe. Only some few radio stations be pena etumi ekasa fa ho. Nanso video no eda so ewo ho no mu. Omo I implement eye adwuma omo de control ye mpanyifo. Yes. We su asabab out. Abrofo no ahya ase air planning ekwan be fa so omo de nka. Enyami ena meka na eyareho na esaya tete se nipa da se na nyame abon aba asase so na obi de ompese nipa da se ni ebe nante asase so na obi de betena wa aka se nipa edoso eno ntu na wo se yete nipa nkwanso awa asase so chese medwunu ho amenti ase weni na yempanyifo ni na ayawe and so no one is ready to speak about these things so ukoka na YouTube na se Facebook so say yamwe na mama warning jese udwu ho me jese udwu ho wonti ase enwan madofo man kohwe video no.
Hi, I'm Scott O'Neill here in Medellin, Colombia today, and I'm at the world's biggest mosquito factory for the World Mosquito Program. We're making in here 30 million mosquitoes a week. Come and have a look. We're doing it for a very serious reason. Cities like Medellin have suffered from diseases like dengue, Zika, chikungunya for decades, but not anymore. We've been able to bring the solution of Wolbachia mosquitoes to this city. When this bacteria called Wolbachia gets introduced into the mosquito, it stops their ability to transmit dengue. We release mosquitoes that have Wolbachia. Now they go and mate, and Wolbachia gets passed into the wild mosquito population. If we're going to control these diseases in all the tropical cities of the world, it's going to require a lot of mosquitoes. The mosquito life cycle starts with the egg, and in this room, we've got a lot of eggs. Each one of these strips, these tiny black dots, are up to 10,000 mosquito eggs. Across all of these strips, about 1.5 million dried eggs waiting to hatch. In this tray, we've got the newly hatched eggs. They're little larvae, so small you can hardly see them. They're going to sit in here for a few days and eat and get bigger until they look like these ones over here. They're starting
to video now. Mosquito factory. Mosquito factory. Eno ena omo aye. Mosquito factory. Just me do hu gra me tiase. Mosquito aye mosquito factory. Mosquito no bebre gu Africa. Aha, afena yes aye factory bio. Enti wan kasa no dwere mu sen. Na mosquito na aye no kwa yes awo mosquito ni panie ben na mosquito. Eno na mpese mwadwe eba so. Na nkrofo we mu no omo ye very smart and very trickish. Omo dey say ya na se fufu ase sibio. Africa omo ama ye ni da ho wai. Empenyi fu se omo ni free. Ya no go to boye. Te mistremo omo ye youth. Omo ye ni da ho no. Mosquito factory. And nkrofo aye. They say mo baby companies are omo ni madom produce bio to no. This time around produce mosquito. God bless you all. Thank you.